Step 1, find the right GIF that is really going to stand out. Step 2, go to this special website and sign up. This is how you're going to get paid. Step 3, use this last website as your free traffic source to your link. Get constant commissions every single day. If you don't already, make sure to subscribe for weekly money making strategies. Also, be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you find some value in this content. Okay, firstly, we just need to understand what a GIF actually is and why we need it. So a GIF isn't an image or a video, it's a mixture of the both. There is no audio that comes with them, which is why they usually have writing on them too. I'm sure most of you already know what it is, but you only have to have a basic understanding of it to make this method work. Now you're more familiar with what a GIF is, let's figure out the best place to find one that people will interact with. We can either go to Google and search there, which I'll show you in a second, or we can go to a place that I find interesting GIFs, which is called Giphy. This website has thousands of different topics. This is exactly why we can use this website for research. Now we don't have to make our own with this method. All we need to do is find one that fits what we're promoting and then download it. That is as simple as it is. So what we want to search for this method is going to be follower count or like count, anything along those lines that has followers and likes and something to do with social media. You can also have a play around with different terms and see what ones you like the best and find something that's going to fit with what we're promoting. Now we'll just use the follower count and go from here. These are then the type of GIFs that we're going to be using for this method. So this one here could be quite good as it shows views growing over time. Or another good one, this one here, this then also shows your followers growing. And I'm sure you probably don't even know why we're trying to find these types of GIFs, but if you just stick around and wait right till the end, you'll understand why these are so important. Another great place, like I said earlier, to find these GIFs, which could also work better, is looking through Google. So if we search something like follower count GIF, these are then going to be some that we can use as well. And then obviously head over to images. Make sure as well, when you're looking through Google Images, you need this little GIF sign at the bottom. And that means it's then going to be something that's going to be moving. So this one here is obviously increasing. So say we're going to use this one here. Now we've found it, we're going to want to save that to your laptop or PC. And you can do this by right clicking and then pressing save image as. So just head down here and press save image as and then save it to your PC or computer or laptop or whatever. Okay, great. So now you've saved it here. You're really keeping up with this method. So just stick around and you'll see how we can now generate some money using this single GIF. The next website that we're going to use is called eClincher. This is a software used by many people who want to grow their social media following. eClincher will act as a social media management tool for businesses and everyday people who just want to grow their following. They state here that using them will guarantee you to generate a larger following, which is why what we're going to do with them later is so crucial, as they are going to be really great brand to work with. They're also hugely integrated with loads of different social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and also many more. Now, I'm sure with this platform, you may be thinking you're going to have to pay for it and you're going to have to grow your own social media following, but that's just not the case. We aren't going to be paying for the software, and we also don't need to have a following of ourselves. Not only is this tool also integrated with some of the biggest social media platforms, they also have been featured in all of these big media outlets. Again, this is another reason why this method is so good. So now you understand what this website is, let me take you on to the next part of the strategy. Let's head all the way down to the bottom of their website. Here you'll find out how we're going to make the money on this. You'll see on the bottom left here, they have a subcategory which says partner affiliate. If you're familiar with affiliate marketing, then you'll know exactly what this is and how you'll be making money. If not, then watch this video I've put up on the cards and then you can watch that at the end. You don't necessarily need to know a huge amount about affiliate marketing. However, you just need to understand that we need a special link that is created only for us, and then we can then promote that. With this method, you'll be able to generate $100 at a time. And this can go crazy as well, so you can make a serious amount more. Each time you get someone to sign up to their paid program, this is what you'll receive. And this is essentially what affiliate marketing is. Over on the left here, it just shows you how many people are using social media. In this day and age, we have 3.6 billion people who are using social media worldwide, which is then also meant to be growing to 4.4 billion by 2025. If you keep watching and use the free traffic source that I'm going to show you in just a second, and you only get to 10 people and make 10 sales, that's the chance of making $1,000. So now you've clicked that link and you've gone through to the next page, which is obviously this one here, you'll then need to sign up. So just press apply here and then sign up. Once you've then filled out all the information, you need to agree to their terms and conditions, and then obviously fill out I'm not a robot and then sign up. Once you've then filled out all the information, they'll give you a specialized affiliate link which only will be selected to you, and then from there we can use that in our next step, so make sure to keep that handy. Now for the free strategy to bringing in traffic to your affiliate link. You don't need any ads, there's no secret methods or anything like that. It's just a simple website which promotes gifts, exactly what I told you to search for earlier. Imgur is the website I want you to head to now. The great thing about this website is that SimilarWeb states that they have 259 million monthly visitors. So that's every single month they're getting nearly 260 million people coming to their website. So if you do this strategy and you then follow my steps and you post good quality gifts, with even a small amount of these monthly visitors then go through your link, you could then have the chance of making a huge amount of money. And this is all for free as well. So firstly, we're going to head to the top right of the screen and then you're going to sign up for this website. It's completely free to do so and it will take less than a minute as well. So now we've signed in, we're going to head to the final step of this strategy. We're going to head up to the top left and press new post. So now we've got to this stage, we're then going to want to find the GIF that we searched for earlier and either drag it into here or then find it within your files. So that's now uploaded. From here, you'll then want to create an interesting headline. So this is then something that you want to bring in people to your link. So this then needs to be something that's going to grab someone's attention and then click on your profile. So as we're promoting a social media management tool, we need to put something based around that. So maybe something like this as a question could be something that's going to really help, as if someone's scrolling through here and does need help with their social media, then they would even click on it anyway. And then down in the description, you're then going to want to put your link that you got earlier, which was specialized to you. You could even fill this out a bit more to show people why they should be clicking on this link and also what else this link could then do for someone. So as for now, as this is only a test, I'm only going to do it quite small, but you can then add stuff to this and make it a bit better. Then over in the right hand corner, you're then going to want to add tags. So as is about social media, you then could add social media marketing, anything like that. And as soon as you're happy with that and everything's done, just press post to community, post publicly, and then as you can see, your post is now up. And if people start to like it, it will get pushed even more and you get more and more traffic to that link. Now, I hope this video has helped someone. If it has, then please drop a like and then subscribe for more weekly content. Also, try watching this other video that I'm going to put up now as another money making strategy.